Mabuhay! Welcome back to Pinay's Kitchen! Today I will be making a grilled steak recipe. First, we have to make the marinade for the meat. All the measurements of these ingredients are in the description box. So first, you have the garlic, the Dijon mustard, the chili powder, cilantro, soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, the cumin, and then blend everything together. Then while you're blending it, you can pour your oil slowly to emulsify the sauce. And that's it. You can taste it, add salt and pepper if needed, and you can add that to your meat to marinate overnight. And of course, the next day, make sure you preheat your grill before you start grilling. Okay? I have a 2-pound flat iron steak here. You can use flank steak or you can use sirloin steak or whatever steak you have actually, because it's gonna be marinating for overnight anyway. If you use the toughest meat here, it's still okay because the marinade itself will tenderize it. So I have it here and I'm gonna grill it later. I'm gonna show you. And of course, if you're making a grilled meat, you need to have sides. You always see this in supermarkets, and so I will show you how I turn it to a really delicious side, right? And of course, I have my peppers and onions here. This is simple. I'm just gonna throw some spices later when cooking it. Everything in this video is in the description box, so check it out. Okay, so this is 3 packs of yellow rice. This is 3 cups. I measured it earlier. So before we grill the meat, we'll do the rice first because the rice will take like 10 minutes, which is about the same time when you're grilling your meat. So put your rice in. And then I have a salsa here. I'm gonna add this one here, right? Add that one, and then I'm gonna add like 2 tablespoons of oil just to help the rice separate, really. Like 2 teaspoons of salt. I'm not gonna put pepper in there. Yeah, because actually that's why 2 teaspoons of salt. I think this one already has salt, so be careful with that. So if I put 3 cups of rice there, I'm gonna put 4.5. You know what I mean? Yeah, 4.5 of water. Alright, that's ready. I'm gonna put it in my rice cooker. When your rice cooker is up, it will stop automatically, right? So nice. Now let's start grilling. And before you start grilling, make sure to preheat your oven to 350. So you put your steak in the preheated grill and then just make a crisscross mark, so just by turning around. You don't have to do this, it's optional. I just like it for presentation. In about 5 minutes, you can flip your meat and then do the same thing on the other side. Make a crisscross grill marks. Then while you're waiting for that, we can cook the vegetables. So this is a really easy recipe. So you put oil in your pan, you saute your onions and then put your peppers in, and then just season your vegetable just to release the moisture. And then after that, you can put your tomatoes next and then season it with that taco seasoning and then a little bit of salt and pepper. And when all your vegetables are tender, then take it off the heat. And that's it. By the time you finish the vegetables, your meat should be ready. So you can transfer it in a tray with wire rack, put it in the oven for 10 minutes, and it's ready. And I'm back! So our rice is done right here. See, it turned out so good, but that's not done yet because I'm gonna do the finishing touches, and then I have our peppers and onions here, and I actually have refried beans here too. So refried beans, I just grab it from the can. Don't judge me, please. I just grab it from the can and then put it on the pot to heat it up. So that's it. So our rice, what I'm gonna do there is I'm gonna squeeze lime. That's what I did. And then cilantro. Add it there. And then just mix that up. That's how you make a packet of rice gourmet. Oh my gosh. My husband loves these. Let me try. It's so good. By the way, my husband made me margaritas. Cheers! Okay, so this is our meat. Our meat has been resting for 8 minutes now. So it should be ready to cut, right? So, where is the grain? Baby, you want to taste it? So good. This.
So good.
Maybe a squeeze of lime with everything. Ooh, I forgot. I have tortillas here. I don't have a tortillas like the small ones, so I only have the burrito one. So I'm thinking maybe just, you know, cut that one, yeah, like just. And that's it. Here you go. That's our meal. Thank you again everyone for watching. Hope you like this recipe, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Again, this is Krista of pinayskitchen, bringing flavors of the Pacific to your table. Thank you. Bye.